Paano kung matapos yung giyera sa Iran? Can we go back dito sa mga news outlet and for them to, you know,
Hindi natin
change th
hindi naman natin sila
change their news
that's
reporting?
their ano, eh, kumbaga that's their, trabaho nila 'yan, eh, 'di ba?
Yeah,
Hindi natin
and I
mako-control
think,
'yan.
I think it's a disservice. Yun yung feeling ko lang sa ginagawa ngayon ng news
Hindi mo kasi
media
puwedeng
outlet.
sabihin
It's
unethical 'yun, eh, 'di ba? Yung ginawa
maybe
nila.
maybe ethical, pero I think yung responsibility nila to be honest to people is somewhat, para sa'kin, over exaggerating of things na
Yan,
hindi
puwede natin
naman
sabihin yung over exaggeration, pero it doesn't, ah, ah, ah,
parang fake news 'no? Sorry, I don't know. Do
parang
you
parang pero hindi.
follow my thought?
Oo,
Parang fake news ano?
oo,
Parang si Iloy.
kaya nga, eh.
'Di ba, yun yung parang nakikita ko diyan. Well, yun naman, eh, kuwentuhan